So in this video, I'm going to quick break down the process and how we will activate old leads, people that have shown interest in your service. And I'm going to walk you through the process that they will go down and what the next steps are in terms of how to follow up with them. So if you have a database of over 1,000 leads, we will essentially add them to a database, and we're going to send them an outbound message asking if they're still interested in getting service. I know that you guys are in the roofing business. I also noticed that a service with solar was provided. I'm not sure if it's just repair or you guys actually install solar as well, but just use this as an example. So, hey, this is Amanda with Bliss Energy. You spoke with either me or one of my team about reducing your energy bill with summer around the corner. I know they're going up. Are you still open to the idea of getting solar for your home? And what's going to happen is there's a decision making process with AI depending on their response. If they say yes, they're interested, no, or if we have the wrong number, if they already have solar or panels on their home, or how does the process work. So these are the options this workflow will essentially take them through. If they say they are interested, we're going to go ahead and add a tag to that contact and take them through a line of questions asking if they get full sun on the roof of their house throughout the day. We're going to find out if they are the homeowner, and we're also going to find out how long have they lived there. And then after that, we will go ahead and book them on the calendar. And we're going to finish it off with you're all set. Hypothetically, let's go ahead and play this scenario out. If they say that they are interested, but now is not good timing, so it's going to send them another message saying, okay, great, we'll give you a call, and it's going to stop responding. If they go with they are not interested, what we're going to go ahead and do is say, I totally understand. What we found was with the old solar program, homeowners were not able to see a significant savings. If I could show you how our system guarantees you save money, would you be open to taking a look? And then we're going to put them through the decision making process. If they say yes, they're interested, it's going to bring them up to the original workflow of asking the questions. If they say no, then we're going to ask them, is it okay if we reach out in the future? And if they say yes to that, we're going to go ahead and send them a message saying, great, we'll do that. We'll have a blessed rest of your day. And it's going to include their contact information and stop responding. If they say no to us following up, we'll simply say, okay, sounds good. If you change your mind, you know where to find me. Have a blessed rest of your day. And it's going to stop responding. The next scenario that I'll quick talk about is if they already have solar panels, we're going to pretty much take them down a different workflow that is going to ask for a referral. I'm just going to hurry up and move through this. I'm not going to go into detail, but that's pretty much a over a big picture overview of the workflow that your leads will go down. The next thing I wanted to show is the organization portion, right? So what happens when they respond to these messages? This one is on a separate account. I do not want to disclose the previous customer's information, so I just want to go ahead and show you the workflow that they will actually go through and how to organize, how the pipeline is organized. So we're going to send them the first message and the second. It's going to pretty much organize and tell you which message was sent to them. But the point is that once somebody does say yes, we're going to have a pipeline for them to be called, and a SMS, email, or notification is going to be sent to the closer so that they could go ahead and hurry up and follow up with that lead. If they're not interested, obviously it's going to be put through the do not disturb pipeline.